welcome to How Ines Rolls. You're in for a special treat today. I can't wait to get started. Have you ever heard of cacao? We're gonna be working with some cacao today. So my friends over at Dannette May and Earth Echo reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in reviewing this Cacao Bliss. And I said, of course, because my mother-in-law, she is a huge proponent of using cacao. And so I have been inspired by her. So I thought, well, if she loves it and she knows the nutritional backgrounds to all of that, I should try it as well. So they sent me this. Let me show you what they sent me. All right, so my friends over at Earth Echo, they sent this, Dannette May, thank you. Oh, this is awesome. This is so cute. Oh, yes. I love it. All these chocolate recipes, amazing. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh, I love it. Yes. Look at this, you guys. Now, if you don't know what this is cacao, powdered cacao. And I am gonna make something with it. Yes, I love it. It says, got their logo on there. It says Earth Echo. So this actually goes upside down. It goes into your drink and you can make like a hot chocolate like that. Oh, that is awesome. Isn't that just so awesome? Like everything that came in that little container. So what we're working with today is this Cacao Bliss, and on the back it explains what is inside. It's more than just cacao. It has turmeric, it has MCT oils, Lucuma, and some more superfoods. So this is going to be a superfood healthy treat, you guys. And I thought today that I would use one of the recipes from that cookbook and make some yummy brownies. Let's do it. This recipe starts off with a saucepan. I love making actually baked goods right from one pan. So I think this is gonna be super easy, super fun. So we're gonna get this going, just one stick of butter, and then we're just gonna melt this down, and then we'll be adding all the ingredients to this, right? So easy. I don't have to dish or mess up any dishes, extra bowls. It's my favorite way to cook for sure. Also, I think a little later I'm going to make their hot chocolate because, you know, it's starting to get a tiny bit chillier in the morning. So I thought I would try the way that they suggested, and I'll tell you how it tastes. I can't wait though, because I've heard really good things about cacao, and especially the health benefits for sure. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I have my butter nice and melted, and I actually have my 8x8 pan, so I'm gonna need both of those. I'm gonna start off with adding a half a cup of sugar, and then we're going to add in some vanilla, a teaspoon, totally easy. Whoops. Okay, so now to that we're going to add a half of a cup of the flour. This flour I bought, this is my favorite gluten-free flour. This is from Walmart, and it's only like $3 for this pack. Well, gluten-free flours tend to be pretty pricey, so I'm so happy to have found that. And it tastes pretty good. So we're gonna blend that in there, and then let's get the Cacao Bliss. I just love the name of it. Makes me happy. So I have my third of a cup of the Cacao Bliss. I'm gonna give that a stir. Yep, here comes the brownies, right? Smells good. I'm gonna add a couple of eggs. Then we're just going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of the baking powder. And then give that a blend. So very easy, friends. Okay, so it's now time to just spread it into the 8x8. You guys, this is so like smooth. It looks delicious. It almost looks like I'm putting frosting into an 8x8 pan. Frosting. So you're just gonna spread that out, and then we're just gonna get that into the oven. So I'm gonna make sure I get all of it off because I don't want to lose any of this batter. All right, we're spreading. All right, so we're gonna get this into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Wow, this is gonna be delicious. I can already smell, it smells so good already. And who knew? It can be super healthy. I love it. Into the oven it goes. Ooh, look at that. Does that look like frosting? Oh, love it. While that's cooking, let's make some Cacao Bliss hot chocolate. So it has all of the ingredients, or it has all of the directions right here. Super easy. You can hear I have the microwave going, so I'm going to be showing you with how I'm gonna put it together, and we're gonna taste it. I can't wait. So I just took this out of the microwave. It's nice and hot. A little too hot, but that's okay because we're gonna be frothing things together. So I'm just gonna take a scoop of that, and I'm gonna add a little bit of honey, just a teaspoon. And on their website, they have these little frothers. I think I was showing you that the other day. And that's why I wanted to show you in a mason jar, a clear one, so we could see it working. Let me know if you have one of these immersion little frothers. Okay, so now we're going to add some almond milk. There's even some recipes where you could even add like coconut oil to it, make it more fattier, but so good for your health. And now we're just gonna have fun and froth it. Here it is, you guys. So it has like that nice little froth to the top if you're used to having like, I guess like a coffee shop type drink. Oh yes, that would do that for you. Okay, so the smell of it kind of reminds me of like when I was little and my mom would make me Mexican hot chocolate. That is so good, you guys. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. I'm not gonna share it. Very good. Okay, so it does remind me a lot of like Mexican hot chocolates. It's kind of a dark chocolate tasting. So good. So all of those things were found on their website: the frother, the cookbook, and of course the Cacao Bliss. Wow. I wonder if I'll feel very energetic after this. Those brownies are almost done, so we're gonna give them a little try. We're gonna let them cool down, and then we're gonna try them. This came out of the oven. Look at that, made with organic cacao. Can't wait. Still have to let it cool down. Bummer. Okay, it is time to cut them. They're still a tiny bit warm, but I just couldn't wait any longer. Remember, Paul is the one who is eating more gluten-free. So I'm gonna actually save the majority of these for him. That way he can have a treat for whenever he feels like it. And it's gonna be made with healthy stuff. Well, healthier stuff. So I am a corner kind of brownie kind of gal. Look at that. Oh. So here we are with the brownie. Amazing. Oh my gosh. First of all, you cannot tell the difference, honestly, with gluten-free and regular box, in my opinion. The Cacao Bliss really gives it a lot of like layers of flavor. So it's not just chocolatey. It almost has like a hint of like cinnamon to it, or some kind of It's got more. Like there's more than just chocolate, but it's all brownie, you guys, and it is so good. Man, this is so good. Maybe Paul's not going to get them after all. I just want to thank my friends over at Dannette May and Earth Echo for reaching out to me and sending me these items to review. I love it. 2 thumbs up, and they're going to give my viewers a discount. So that link is down below, and you can just click on it and get yourself, you know, a cookbook, a frother, the Cacao Bliss, any of those things. And actually, this is really good for health. Helps and aid with losing weight, helps with inflammation, and there's so many different ways to use it. So if you're considering changing some things in your lifestyle, this may be one of those ways to help. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel today. Give the video a thumbs up and let me know if you've ever used cacao before. So have a wonderful day, rollers, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.